What's up, YouTubers? Johnny DIY here. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to clean and deodorize your mattress with some ingredients you already have at home on hand. If you guys are new to this channel, do me a favor and go ahead and click the subscribe. I do a lot of these household and DIY automotive projects. Alright guys, let's get to it. Let's go ahead and start off by trying to remove some of this darker stained area right here. We're just going to need a few things we already have around the house. Some regular old dish soap. You can use like Dawn. Some cold water. We're going to want to use cold water. Hot water will end up setting the stain more, so that's important. And then go ahead and get your regular old scrub brush and a nice clean towel to soak it up. We'll go ahead and first start off with spraying down the area with that cold water. Just get it nice and damp. Now we'll take our regular old dish soap and we're going to go ahead and put a liberal amount, don't be shy with this, all over the stain. Take our scrub brush. We're just going to give it a nice scrubbing, just to loosen up the stain. Now after a couple minutes of scrubbing, go ahead and get your clean towel. We're going to go ahead and blot it up. Just go ahead and press down and soak up all the extra water and soap and dirt. Get it nice and dry. Ooh, look at all that dirt coming off of there. Alright, now you're going to want the spots to dry really well. If you can, go ahead and pull it out in the sun, or if you have a fan, go ahead and crank that baby up and let this thing fully dry. Now once all the stains are cleaned and dried, we're going to go ahead and deodorize the bed, and we're going to just use regular old baking soda for that. We're just going to take it and we're going to just sprinkle it out all the way across the mattress. A nice even layer. Over the whole thing. Now we'll let this baking soda set to do its magic for a good 30 minutes to an hour. You could even let it set all the way up to a day, depending on how much you need to deodorize it. Now we'll go ahead and take our vacuum cleaner with our brush attachment, and we're going to vacuum all this off. Now it's a good idea to go ahead and vacuum your mattress every few months to get the dust, dust mites, and even skin. Now after you're all done, I do recommend getting one of these mattress pad covers. It just goes over the top of your mattress to help keep it clean and protected. Then you can just go ahead and throw these in the wash every couple weeks or so. And that's it guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, do me a favor, please subscribe. It helps me a lot. And check out my other videos. Alright guys, thanks for watching Johnny DIY. Keep on doing it yourself. Take care.